Hello everyone, my name is Gina and welcome to Season Beauties. Our video on today, we will be unboxing our October BOXYCHARM by IPSY. For those of you who are not familiar with it, I will leave all the details down below so that you can check it out for yourself. In addition, there is a code down below so you can get money off on your first box. So we're going to open it up and see what's inside. Well, the very first thing we have is an information card, which not only gives us the theme for this month, which is a Work Your Magic, but it also lets us know about upcoming sales and products. And don't forget, next month is November, which is Icon Month, okay? So they give you a chance to check out what will be there. So, or what will be in that box. So it says, whether you're conjuring bold looks or summoning serious glow, we've got everything you need to play beauty your way and work a little magic while you're at it, because around here, playing dress up never ends. Okay, but that is a beautiful picture and it is a very interesting look. Very interesting. So we're going to go ahead and talk about the products that came in this month's box. Well, the first item that we have is by Life Beauty. It's in this little bubble wrap, so hopefully it kept our palette safe, damage free. All right, and it says this is the Austral eyeshadow palette, and this is what the outer packaging looks like, and it is a 0.035 ounce size. It is a cruelty-free and vegan product, and it has a 12-month shelf life. Let's see what the inside packaging looks like. Guess what? It looks exactly the same, except this one is a little shinier. Okay, so meet the matte and the dewy. Okay, how about that? So when we open it up, we do see that there are 6 shades inside. And you know, in all honesty, when I look at this, even though some of the shades are lighter, these are wonderful fall shades. What do you think? You agree? Now, as you see, it does have a full mirror. However, it is covered to protect your eyes and the mirror until you're ready to use it. Now, I do want to let you know that the manufacturer's suggested retail price for this product is $32. All right, now that is item number 1. Item number 2 is by Beauties. And this is the pumpkin chai latte cleansing balm. All right, and this one says it has pumpkin, chai, and soy milk as its main ingredients. It removes dirt, impurities, and makeup for all skin types. This is a 2.7 ounce size. This is a big box, so I'm hoping the product inside, although it is kind of heavy, it really does support packaging this large, so we're not doing the wasteful thing. Now this one has a 12-month shelf life. All right, well, it's a cleanser, so of course. And this is what, of course, the outside packaging looked like. Here's what the inside packaging looks like. So yes, the packaging does definitely support the size of what's on the inside. Now, the ingredients, I did let you know what those main ingredients were, but I do also want to let you know that, as always, this is a paraben, mineral oil, phthalate free product, and it is free of animal cruelty. How about that? Now, I'm not going to open the, see, I knew it was going to have a safety seal there, so I'm not going to take that off because I do have a cleansing balm that I'm currently using, so I don't want to start the shelf life right now. But I wanted to check it and see so I could let you know this is sealed, and it does come with a spatula, so you're getting, you know, an even amount, and it will last you like you are, well, you will get the number of uses out of it that the box says you should. All right, although some of us are just heavy-handed anyway, and we're going in with it. Now, the manufacturer suggested retail price for this one is also $32. Okay, moving right along. The next item we have is, oh, it's a fragrance by a brand that I really, really like. really like, and that is Commodity. Well, we've gotten quite a few fragrances from them, and I have quite a few of them over there. But this one is Milk Plus. This one I don't have. And this one says it is a 0.33 fluid ounce size. And the scent score is called Bold. Now, it says this is the Modern American Perfumery. Now, I do currently have Milk, but I'm pretty sure if it says plus on it, this one is going to be maybe either a little more bold smelling or a little stronger than the regular one, okay, or previous one. Now, I do want to also let you know that this one has a 36-month shelf life, and this is also a paraben-free product. Now, at first, I wasn't going to open this, but because it has the plus on it, I really do want to see if this one smells like the other or not. But this is the size that we have, and this is what the inside packaging looks like. Now, even though we swatch at the end, I do want to go ahead and spray it now so that we can really get the gist of it when it comes down to time to swatch. Okay, so, and I might spray the original on as well so we can see what the difference may be. So we're going to go ahead and spray a little on this arm, and I'll grab the other one. Okay, and I'm going to spray it on the other arm. Oh my God, this smells so good. Okay, so I did spray it. This is what the other one looks like. Now, this is the larger size bottle. Okay, and the manufacturer suggested retail price for this size is $34. All right, let's keep going. The next item that we have is by a brand that I really like, and that one is Ace Beauty. All right, and this one is Set Lock, and this is the setting spray. It is a 3.38 fluid ounce size, and it does not have a whole lot of, details on the box, but it does say that this one is, it doesn't tell me if it's a cruelty-free product or not, but it does tell me that it is suitable for all skin types, and it has a 12-month shelf life. This, of course, is the outer packaging. This is what the inside packaging looks like. And I do want to go ahead and open it because I want to see what type of nozzle it has. There we go. It's a pump. So with a mist, it's a misting pump. All right. So that's very good. I was getting low on setting spray, so that was great timing. And the manufacturer suggested retail price for this item is $30. Now, the next one we have is by Makeup Forever, and it's this right here. This one is a lipstick, Rouge Artist Forever. And it says it's a long wear intense lipstick. It is a 2 gram or a 0.07 ounce size. The shade that I have is 320. That's gorgeous. I need to see if it actually has a name to that. And it does not tell me if this one is a cruelty-free product either. And I want to check for a shelf life, which I don't currently see. But I may have to check online and let you know. Alrighty. So, of course, this is the outer package. The inside packaging, y'all. Can we say a level up? Look at that. And I don't know if you can see it, but their logo, which is the lips with the pencil in it, it's etched into the cap. Oh, that is gorgeous. That is great. That is great. So this one is a matte. Still doesn't tell me what the expiration or shelf life is, but it does tell me the actual name of the shade is called Burning Love. So let's just open it so we can see. Oh, this is really nice. Okay, there's the rest of, this. But the lipstick actually looks like a teardrop shape. But that's perfect for putting it on right at the Cupid's bow and taking it around. Even when you get to the edges of your lips, that point is going to help you really, as they say, stay in the lines. All right. Now, this one is $28. Now, I think that one is, yes, that was our last product for the box. I do always get the Beauty Boost item, so I can share that with you. And this month I have an add-on as well. So our Beauty Boost item is by Rodial, and it's the salicylic acid. This is a pore refining cleanser. It's designed to lift and illuminate. And this one is a 4.9 fluid ounce size. And it is a vegan product with a 12-month shelf life. Now, this one says there's niacinamide, Egyptian lotus, and sacred lotus, plus pink diamond powder. Those are the main ingredients in here. Now, oh, very nice. It says the salicylic acid to decongest and tighten the look of pores. The niacinamide is known to help even skin tone and moisturize the complexion. Okay. And the Egyptian lotus and sacred lotus is to brighten the skin, and the pink diamond powder helps to diminish imperfections and illuminate the skin. Very nice. Very nice. So this is what the outside packaging looks like. And this is what the inside packaging looks like. Pretty much the same. Okay. Now, the manufacturer suggested retail price for this product, and this is a really large size, and it is full to the top. So, or to the bottom since it's upside down. But the manufacturer suggested retail price is $49. Okay, here for it. I just want you to know I am here for it. Now, I do have one last item, but this one was an add-on. You know, I've been saying I'm trying to replace my signature scent. They have discontinued it, and it has been my signature scent for over 25 years. So I guess, now that doesn't mean I don't wear other fragrances. It's just that one is my signature. But this is Ellis Brooklyn, and this is Apple Love. Now, my understanding, well, I'll tell you about that in a minute. This one is a 0.25 fluid ounce size, and it is a cruelty-free product, and it is vegan. Now, this name is her ode to New York, the Big Apple. That's what it says this is. Now, and I love the shade of the bottle and the box. So this was the box. This is the inside packaging. It has a 36-month shelf life, okay? As with most fragrances, okay? So that's that one. And let's see. Oh, that's nice. Oh, that's very nice. Let's see what the dry down on this one is. Now, this one, for the smaller size, is $25. So what do you think? For me, this was a fantastic array of products. Me, as y'all know, I have cosmetic, or what do you want to call them? Makeup subscriptions. So that part, I don't necessarily choose to get a lot of makeup. Now, there are months when I do not choose my products. I just let IPSY send to me what they believe my profile is reading, okay? But I have not really been disappointed in what I've gotten. And this month, I am definitely loving this. So what we'll do is let's talk about a couple items before we swatch. All right. Now, the first thing is the cologne, the Milk versus the Milk Plus. This Milk Plus is a little bit more intense, but I like it. It's especially for the fall and winter seasons. Okay, you have some perfumes that are a little heavier, and so they really give you that lasting powder, but it's not super floral. This is really nice. But this is also very nice, and you can wear it in the fall months without any issue. But this one is a little bit more intense, but I still like this one. I still like this one a lot. So would I recommend this? Absolutely. If you like a bolder, not necessarily a musky type, but just a nice, almost woodsy kind of a scent with some floral attached, but not overpowering, that you'll like. Okay, I'll be back with some swatches from our lippy and a couple of swatches from our palette. Okay, now we're going to start with the lippy. How about that? All right, there, gorgeous. Can you see that? Okay, I love it. I absolutely love it, and I love the precision with the shape of that lippy. All right, now let's talk about this palette. I swatched the bottom line, okay, right across the bottom. So let's go from the top. Uh-oh, things are sliding. This next to the lippy is called Stone. Right under that is called Nova, and the bottom is called Onyx. Now, let me tell you, this is beautiful. And if you look at this shimmer here, it's almost iridescent. The way you move your hand, that shade shows up beautifully, and it kind of gives you a little blue and purple. Oh, that is gorgeous to me. That is absolutely gorgeous. I want to let you know, while I was swatching, I got a good whiff of this Apple Love. Oh, this is beautiful. Absolutely. Oh, this is going to be tough. Told you I have to go out of town. So I've got to choose a fragrance. And I think I've already chosen my palette. So what do you think? Please let me know your thoughts down below. Okay. Did you receive yours? Are we Boxy twins? Please tell me. I would love to know. How are you feeling about your BoxyCharm items? BoxyCharm by IPSY. All right. Well, I just want to tell you, I thank you so very much for choosing to spend time with me on today as we unboxed our BoxyCharm by IPSY for the month of October. These are the items that we received. Down below is the total manufacturer suggested retail price for everything that was inside, including our beauty boost and our add-on items. Okay. Now, make sure you like, give it a thumbs up, comment. Let me know your thoughts. Tell me, give me some information about this particular video. Tell me if you liked it or not. If we are those Boxy twins or whatever you just want to share, I'm here for that and I appreciate it. Make sure you subscribe. Become a part of the Seasoned Beauties family. We would love to have you. It's more than enough room over here for you. And it's easy on the pocket because it is free. Now, share this month's BoxyCharm by IPSY with anybody who you think would enjoy any of the products that we showcased. Okay. Now, most importantly, remember, regardless of the season that you are in, you will always be a seasoned beauty. Until next time.